What's going on, guys? Good morning. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. And today is actually the day we're going to be rebuilding the 350Z. So I just need to get one more part. I'm here at AutoZone in Middletown, and this is actually going to be the oil pressure sensor. If anyone has ever driven a 350Z, it's a pretty common issue for these sensors to fail. So since we're going to go ahead and change the oil anyway, I thought we might as well just do this at the same time, just so we can save time, and that way we don't have to drain the oil, just change it again. So I'll pick it up and catch you guys in a bit. So this is the oil pressure sensor that we'll be throwing on there. Nothing special about it, but I just need to know my oil pressure, and we're just gonna get it done. So see you guys in the shop. Before we throw this thing on the lift, I just want to show you guys how bad these brakes are. I'm gonna try to get it so you can see it, but look at all that stopping power. Yeah, it's just terrible. And when I picked up the car, the guy told me it was 500 miles or something like that on it, which I don't even want to know. Yeah, about that. It's a nice lug nut I have there. Casually missing a lug nut. Yeah, honestly, it's so sketchy.
I wasn't even over here when you found that.
Yeah, like look at how close it was to breaking.
Yeah, if you would hit another pothole or just something you would have done.
And what scares me is I'm thinking about the time that I was driving up the Summit Bridge, and it was like thump, 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 thump. I'm thinking like, you know, what if this thing breaks and I like go into like the canal? I'm like, I mean, it didn't happen luckily, but still scares me.
See the carnage of that?
What did that come out of?
Big block Chevy.
Oh, that one that was in here?
Yeah, broken piston. Little pieces.
What was he pushing? Did you say 30?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 275. Some meat.
Fronts are 265, 35, 18. Yep. So go to the fronts and then you get your rears.
Yeah, this is an expensive fix.
Five in this one.
Oh yeah, the only one that was missing is the passenger side. Other than that, all lug nuts are there.
Washer fluid valve.
I mean, I guess. No, it just doesn't make sense. I mean, they actually went to the extent of mounting motors and everything to it for it to work.
Yeah, with silicone.
This would have frozen the wintertime anyway. It's just straight water.
Yeah. I'm just gonna keep this and hang it up in my garage somewhere. Just why not? Things you find. So in case you're wondering, this in fact is a homemade window washer pump. But I don't know why, I just kind of want to keep it because it's so random. Gotta remember the car. There's basically nothing there. Same thing with rear. I mean, it's a 2003, so I mean, it's kind of what I expect. Got one tire. So far, everything's going along pretty smoothly. Nick's really working on the brakes, and the other guys are working on the tires. These are what, the factory rotors, essentially? Oh, yeah. Sweet.
These are the old ones. You can see this one.
Oh my god.
Metal to metal.
Yeah, there just wasn't anything at all. So it should drive better in theory. Yeah.
New tires are like riding on carpet.
Yeah.
What happens is the old tires get hard and then they get cupped.
It kind of explains the washer thing. eBay special, homemade. But that stress crack was pretty sure it's behind the caliper. Just
Whenever they're gonna see where it is on this, because they might have removed it.
the sensor, it's I watched like 100 videos on it. It's right above.
Yeah, I just didn't know if they relocated it with the oil filter.
A thick tire. Jesus.
Yeah. Now you see it's just a little bit.
Yeah.
So that's the turbo doing right there.
So right here is the oil cooler, obviously, and we'll be replacing that. These are the brakes, and this was the old oil sensor. So slight issue, the right rear rim is slightly bent in a little bit from whatever hit. I guess something just really hit the right side hard.
Yeah.
And I have no idea what it was. And I won't know because I can't remember that. But
You bought these rims with the car, right?
what?
Or you bought the car with these rims, right?
Yeah. Got the second tire off. Pretty sure those are the only ones I want to keep. I don't really know. Because from what we're finding, the other tires are just in such bad condition that they really can't be used for anything. Getting the rotors now pumped up, as you can see. Driver's side hasn't been put on yet.
Must have hit something on this side because they got a new control arm on it.
I remember looking at that, I'm like, wow, someone replaced the control arms, and they're not exactly that cheap.
For any reason.
Yeah, I mean, that actually could possibly explain the whole tire issue. As you can see, front rotors are now on, and man, do they look good. There you go. Look at how much tread is actually on this tire. Like, there wasn't any tread. There's a diff and everything for the full Greddy exhaust. See, there's mufflers, and then cats are up there. Got this one all mounted up. They're just taking off driver's side rear. These things are just my guess is it was some sort of eBay special rotor, because you can just see the condition of all the slotted parts, and then also even the outside, just how it's rusted. It's just not in good condition. Yeah, that's where it was cracked. So this side doesn't have a new wheel bearing, but this side does. So you can't really see this. This is a rubber. It's not a dog treat. Oh. Yep. Oh. So wait, is this the 245? Oh. Oh, it was right there. That's where it was. I don't know if you could see that. Nice. Oh my god. Well, I think a lot of that is from the stress that it had from this being a smaller tire. Because if you notice, it didn't match the driver's side, or this is the driver's side, didn't pass the. Either way, it didn't match the other tire, and so it was just uneven wear. So
that side pin wasn't working at all. Someone's got that bolt stripped out, so we're gonna have to replace that.
And all tires on.
It's not even going through the air filter because that leak right there.
Yeah.
So the air filter pretty much not even existing.
It's kind of funny because I actually replaced the air filter.
Yeah, it's not doing anything. So I'm gonna clear them, but if they come back, then you know you got a problem with the cam sensors, knock sensor intake, and then the air intake sensor. Sticky tires now.
Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this car is officially complete. Now, is it actually complete with everything I plan on doing to it? No, but brakes are done, rotors are done, new tires are on, check engine light was cleared, the oil pressure sensor was replaced, and it is now okay. So, as you can see, we went ahead and painted the calipers silver, and then we went ahead and just drove to get the excess paint off, which, I mean, there's a bunch of different ways you can do that, but this is what we went with. Oil was changed, and it should be all good to go. So, I just wanted to send a huge shout out to Super Service Automotive, Nick, the owner, for working with me on this. Alright guys, so there you have it. That was the rebuild of my 2003 350Z. As you can see, I made it home now. Duramax is now here, and the car is now here. So the next video I'm going to be doing is a follow-up driving video, just to show you guys how well this drives and my thoughts on it. Now, the car is obviously still not complete, but it is safe to drive. So, with it being said, if you did enjoy this video, please drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.